how well are my controllers doing their job? That's ultimately what we want to know when we're talking about benchmarking here is how well are these controllers doing? How well are these PID controllers doing their job? And that's what we're going to drive for. So we start off with looking at many, many different ways to compare here. And then we're going to, in the next couple of slides, we're going to get down to a specific way where we can do that in maybe more universal manner, because I'm not going to go to the trouble of trying to compare integral absolute error only for food processing evaporators in the world. I mean, that could be a meaningful comparison, but it's just so narrow that to get us started, it's not what we want. We want something that's going to be a little more broad, a little more universal, that's going to help drive our actions forward. So we're going to get to that in just a couple of slides.
Yeah, and just to drive home that point, the need for apples to apple comparison, right? One of our customers, they know that the flow loop definitely behaves differently from their level loop there. So to compare the absolute error of the flow loop against the absolute error of a level loop, it's not useful at all. And so that need for, I don't care if it's a flow or a level, how can I look at it objectively and know that the controller itself is doing well? That's really what's necessary.